Hi, I'm Kunal Ghai, Senior Technical Consultant at PhiX Technologies. Today, I'll demonstrate how to configure, price, and quote in Salesforce using Revenue Cloud Advanced. Why Revenue Cloud Advanced? Revenue Cloud automates product to cash on one platform, supporting rapid product launches, revenue management, and scaling customer-centric operation. It is more suitable for business that sell complex products or services or have multiple sales channels. For the purpose of demonstration, I play the role of an end user for Quantech, which is a leading server manufacturer. For the new opportunity to upgrade servers, first I'll create a code. For that opportunity, I need to add products to my code. For that, I'll click on the Browse Catalog button, and I can see all my products from my product catalog. The products are arranged by their categories, and we can also search them by their name. We want to sell a server bundle to this customer. First, I'll have to configure it. I see the name of the product with its image and description and the price. We can also change the quantity. Under it, I can see the attributes of this product. These are customizable attributes that can be changed as per the requirement of the customer. We can also sell optional products with our bundle. I'll add a few optional products. After I've added both my products, I'll press the update prices to fetch the latest prices. Now, in the summary section, I can see the product I've added, its attributes, and the optional products is bundle. I can also see the updated pricing, and the prices is broken up into one-time and annual payment. I'll save this. Now the server has been added to my code. With Revenue Cloud Advanced, we can use advanced approvals to automate or customize the approval process. In our case, I'll apply a discount to my code line to trigger the approval. I'll apply the discount and save my code. And we see that we will require an approval from the commercial director. Now, I'll submit my code for approval using the Submit for Approval button. Once I submitted for approval, the code automatically went into interview status to signify that the approval process is going on. When I navigate to the approval section, I can see an approval request assigned to the commercial manager. When the approver approves the request, we'll see that the code status has been set to approve as the approval process succeeded. Now I see the option to generate a document. So I can send a proposal document to the customer. I'll select the template. With the document generation capabilities of Revenue Cloud, we can standard and customize proposal documents for the customer dynamically. As we can see, based on my code, a proposal document was created with all the information related to that code. It can now be presented to the customer using the Send e-signature button. Now we can see that our code status was changed to presented to signify as we shared with the customer. The customer will receive an email to sign the document. Once the customer signs the document, we can see the code status change to accept. And now, an order was automatically created when the code was accepted. This order can be used to track fulfillment and delivery activities. With this, we complete our journey of configuring, pricing, and quoting in Salesforce using Revenue Cloud Advanced. Thanks for listening till the end.